Hello YouTube, it's Garemore. Welcome to another iPhone tutorial. It's been a while since I made an iPhone tutorial. Well, the iPhone function I wanted to show you today is that you do not need to jailbreak your iPhone. You do not need to buy an external device such as a smartwatch or any other. This is about how to get a Audible alert for a app that is not compatible with Audible alerts. I'm going to show you settings, notifications, let's take Mercari as an example. Which does support sound. It says it supports sound, but it does not support sound. You do in this situation, you have to go back into your settings, go to the general, go to accessibility, you go to voiceover. I've already explained all the settings in a previous video. Go to the button here that says always speak notifications, which will speak all notifications, even alerts that are not compatible with the regular Audible alert. Then you just go all the way down to accessibility shortcut. You need to push voiceover in the top option. So now I will just turn it on.
Voiceover on. Battery emoji. Alarm clock emoji. Pager emoji. Portrait.
I'm just going to send myself a quick message. While Gmail does support Audible Alert, that's all I had on hand at the time.
One notification. Gmail. Now. Garemore. Sent from mail for Windows 10 from Garemore sent. Thursday, March 28th, 2019, 6:56 p.m. to Garemore subject. Sent from mail for Windows 10 from Garemore sent. Thursday, March 28th, 2019, 6:55 p.m.
Unfortunately, you cannot respond to notifications while this is on.
One notification. Gmail. Now. Garemore.
If you want to respond to such an alert, you have to take it out of voiceover mode, like I did, and then you can open the app. That's how you get Audible notification for alerts that are not compatible with normal Audible alerts, or that do not support native audio alert functions.
Voiceover on. Notes. Port. Notification. Gmail. Now. Gare more. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe. Notes. Back button.
See, that's the annoying thing about it.
Voiceover off. Voice up notes. Portrait. 3 notifications. Gmail. Now. Gare more. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe. Support me by buying from my eBay Mercari stores. Sent from my iPhone. Gmail. Now. Gare more. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.
What
Please like,
what
subscribe.
my iPhone told me.
Support me